Now that your MyFavorito community is up and running, it's time to let your fans and members, as well as new and existing sponsors, know about all the ways they can support your club with MyFavorito. Using our social media center, you can quickly and easily create posts for your social media, as well as flyers and posters for your clubhouse. This is a great way to introduce your MyFavorito community, promote your loyalty system, or let fans know about the latest sponsorship offers they can redeem for their club. Hover over Community in the navigation toolbar and click Social Media Center. Click Add. Here you will find a wide variety of easy-to-use and adjustable templates. For post images, these templates will create eye-catching still images that are perfect for Instagram or other social media sites. Posters, these templates will create A1 size posters that can be easily printed and hung up around your clubhouse. Story images, create still images perfect for quick updates that can be uploaded to your Instagram or Facebook stories. And flyers, these templates will help you create informative A4 flyers that can introduce MyFavorito to your new and existing sponsors, as well as fans and members. In this tutorial, we will create a poster, so select posters and then choose your template. Give your poster a title. This is for your reference, so you can keep track of your designs in the social media center. Adjust the colors to show your team colors. Design color will adjust the color of the graphics. You will also be able to select the background color. Now enter a heading. This will appear on the poster. You can adjust the font size, but it will be the largest text on the poster by default. In this tutorial, we will keep the default text and font size. Now you can further customize your poster with an image of your team or fans. This should be a large, high-quality image, as the poster will be A1 size. Enable bullet points if you would like to use them in your body text. These will appear as numbers on the final poster. Select your background color. This is for the whole poster. And enter your body text. This can be any information you wish to share, but as the default text introduces MyFavorito's simple 3-step process to redeem codes and send money to clubs, we will use it on this poster. Upload your club logo. If you have already uploaded a logo, this will be used as the default. Choose your text color, and if needed, adjust your text spacing. Click Save and we will create your poster. Now all you need to do is download, print, and hang in your clubhouse. You will be able to find all of your designs listed in the Social Media Center for future edits and use.